Yo, Adams, what's good? Welcome back again, everyone. Let's get this money. Yeah, yeah. Raining. Rain is coming down. Alright, so we'll kick things off today. So push up, I guess we're gonna have a rainy one. Alright, so everyone checking it right now. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate y'all being here, man. Alright, so we're gonna start off today. Some tricep workout. Later on, we got some back workout. Let's get it. All right. Woo. One more set. Everyone checking in, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Wide grip diamond push up. Best way to start. Whoa. This is the best way to kick things off. Another one. Let's do at least 2 of these first. One more. Everyone tapping in. Hit that like button, subscribe. Whoa, one more. Yeah, appreciate everyone checking in. Hit that like button, bro. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. All right, so we're kicking things off today. First off, some tricep workout. We're doing some push-ups first. Best way to warm up. Oh yeah. Hit that like button and subscribe. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's get this morning. All right, we appreciate everyone tuning in. Brand new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. Alright, another day again. New, just come and let me know where you're watching from. Let's get this money. I think this is alright. Right there. Nice. Crazy. Elise, everyone tuning in, appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate the love, respect. Let's get this money. Alright, so that's one. Appreciate you guys being here, man. Remember, if you gotta go, remember, check out my new videos. Got a lot of new short. Check them out, drop a comment, alright? Hit that like button and subscribe. One more set. That like button, subscribe. Remember, if you have to go, check out our new videos, alright? Drop a comment over there. Hit that like button. Let's keep hustling. Only doing 2 with that. Hit that like button and subscribe. The heck is that? Yeah, appreciate everyone tuning in. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember, check out my new videos. Alright, I got a lot of new shorts. Go over there, drop a comment. Appreciate y'all, man. Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, bro. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate the love and support, man. Hit that like button. David, how much account you got? How much account you got, David? Interesting. Let's get this money. Let's keep working. Seems like you're the only one disrespect. I guess you're the only one that's offended, man. Appreciate y'all. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let's get this cash. Check this on. Let's get this cash right here. Let's go. Oh, God. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Memphis, United States. Yo, what's good, man? Genetics? I wish it was genetics, man. I have to work for everything. Houston, Texas. Michigan. Alright, I see y'all. I see you guys, man. Appreciate y'all being here, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, alright? Let's go. Let's keep working. Your knee hurt, have to focus on that farm. Gotta stay focused, bro. Yeah. Hit that like button, subscribe, chat. Let's go. Whew. Everyone that's new and wondering where I'm from or where I'm at, I'm in Jamaica. Welcome to the channel, alright? Hit that like button, subscribe. Come on, let's get 20 likes. Let's get to 20 likes. I haven't liked the stream yet, hit that thumbs up button. Let's go. Do I live in the grill? No. Ooh, yeah. Okay. One more set. Got the rain coming down, boys. I can hear it in the distance right now. Hit that like button. Let's get 20 likes. Kick things off. Whoa, the rain is coming down. Hit that like button. Let's get 30 likes. So we have 20. Thank you guys for 20. Let's go to 30. Hit that like button. Subscribe. So the rain is coming down, as you can see. It's gonna be a rainy one. Hit that thumbs up. Motivate. Drop a comment. It is raining. So hit that like button. So we almost at 30 likes. Let's go to 40. Hit that thumbs up. Working out in the rain. See you guys in the chat, man. Remember to go check out my new videos. All right, I got a lot of bangers, man. Check out my new shorts. Drop a comment over there. So I'm trying to mark these names in the chat. So go check out my new videos. Drop a comment over there. All right. Hit that like button. It's raining. One more final set with this one. All right. Let's get this cash. Final set. Final set. Oh. Gosh. Raining. It's raining. Hit that like button. It's raining. Let's get 50 likes. 50 thumbs up. It's raining, bro. Show some support, man. Anyone here can donate, send a super chat. Can anyone drop a super chat? Let's go, man. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. It's time to jerk some chicken. Bro, trust me, it definitely is a good time right now, but I'd rather do jerk some chicken outside, like, you know. And hopefully later on when the rain cool down, we can jerk some chicken outside. Alright, hit that like button. Let's get 40 likes. Come on, come on. Let's get 40 likes. Trying to get 50 here. 50 likes. Haven't hit that thumbs up yet? What you waiting for, bro? Working out in the rain. So now we're gonna add some more weight here. Let's go heavier. Adding some extra weight. Can anyone drop a super chat? Drop a super chat, bro. Show us some love on the holiday, bro. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Good right there. Oh, here we go. Greg. Greg, shout out to Greg. Thank you so much, man. Yo, Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas. Hope you're having a great one. You and your family, man. All the best. Thank you so much. All right, guys. I appreciate if you guys can drop a W in the chat for me for Greg. Thank you so much, man. From Brazil, all the way from Brazil. Got people watching from Brazil, America. Drop the name of your country and the flag in the chat, man. Let me see them. Appreciate the love and support. All right. Hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday season so far. Yeah, bro. Stay fit, stay healthy, keep working. Appreciate it so much, man. All right, guys. Now we mean business. Hit that like button, subscribe. All right. Anyone else can drop a super chat? Show support, man, on the holiday. Really appreciate it, man. Let's get this. Remember to check out my all of my new shorts. All right, got a lot of new bangers, new videos. Go check them out. Some videos where I'm walking shirtless in the public in Linstead, Jamaica. So check them out. That's like never before. So check them out, man. Brand new. Hit that like button. Let's get 50 likes. Up. Woo. Keep lifting. Stay focused, bro. Keep working, all right? Show some love, man. Anyone to drop a super chat, really appreciate it. Hit that like button. Support the channel, man. Subscribe. Oh yeah. Dog, so much up the line. Okay, all right. Got people here from South Africa, Korea. Is that Korea, South Africa as well? Welcome one and all, man. Hit that like button, bro. Subscribe. We got the rain coming down again. Bless it. Damn, this phone is not even charging, to be honest. Crazy. Ooh, yeah. Up. Up. Ah, God. Yo, you gotta hit that thumbs up button, man. Bro, that right there was some good money, bro. I think that was some good money, right? Hit that thumbs up, man. Got the rain coming down. Show some support, bro. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Whoa, that was some crazy money. Whoa. Hey, yo, Greg. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Shout out to Greg once more. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Hello, well, just got paid. Uh, yeah, respect, man. Respect. Appreciate you all, man. All right, let's get 60 likes. That's 51. Appreciate it. Thank you very much for 50 likes, man. Let's get to 60. Hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it, man. Let's keep working. Yo, Top G, what's good? Remember, whenever you're working, you can't leave out your water. Mm-hmm. Yes, Andy. Yeah, for water, more. Drink water. Final set. Let's get this. We can do this. Final set. We can do this. This weight is a burner. Crazy. Let's get these, man. Let's get these gains. Keep working. Yeah, for everyone brand new to the channel, remember, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Check out my new shorts. I got a lot of bangers, man. Some new contents, as a Jamaican. So check them out. Unique. All right. Let's get this morning again. Oh yeah. Hit that like button. Come on, let's get to 60 likes. Let's get 60 likes. Hit that thumbs up, make sure we get to 60, all right? Yeah. Let's keep working, bro. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday. Oh, yeah. All right. Don't want to get any rest here. Moving on, same time, all right? Hit that like button, subscribe. Appreciate everyone tapping in. Hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday. Merry Christmas when it comes, man. In a few hours. Yeah. Stay focused. Ooh. Remember to go check out my new shorts. Drop a comment over there. We got people locked in from Korea, South Africa, America. Where else? Got anyone here from UK, right? UK, Australia. Anyone here from Japan? Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let's get this morning. Whoo, yeah, hit that like button. Subscribe, bro. Jamaica. People people locked in from all over the world, huh? All right. People locked in from all over the world, man. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, brother. All right. Let's get 70 likes. Hit that like button. Let's get 70. Let's keep working, man. Blessings to everyone joining, bro. I know time is hard, so I appreciate everyone that stopping by and supporting. If you hit that like button, thank you for supporting. If you subscribe, thank you. If you drop a super chat, thank you so very much as well. Appreciate it, man. Everyone is a beautiful holiday so far. So we're gonna finish up our tricep workout here with what I call the finishing touch. Hit that like button, come on. Three more likes for 70. Hit that thumbs up. Brazil. Incredible work. From France. Hey, Karim. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Smash that thumbs up button. Got the rain sitting up right around us, bruv. Shake them out. Oh yeah, hit that like button, chat. Let's go. Let's get this morning. Hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get to 70 likes. Let's get 75. Oh yeah. Going straight to 15 at least. All right, let's work with it. It's 16. All right, let's get 80. Can we get 80 likes? Hit that like button. Remember, after you finish watching this stream, or you ever have to go check out our new shorts. All right, I got a lot of banger shorts. Go check them out. Remember, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Let's go. All right, let's go. We're going for 16 reps. All means necessary. Oh yeah. 11 more. It. Woo. Yo, Johnny, what's good, man? Appreciate it, man. Yeah, appreciate it. You already know it's all about consistency, right? Keep going and showing up, even when you're feeling weak. It's all about showing up, consistency. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're brand new, guys. Let's get this morning. Just keep working. Remember to go check out my new shorts, alright? Drop a comment over there. Let me see you all, alright? Let's keep working. Can anyone send a super chat right now? Support? Send a super chat, bro. Remember YouTube now got gifts, so you can send gifts. Alright? Let's get this morning. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh, yeah. All right, second and final set. So was working with this height previously. So we're gonna work with this height now. Gonna go lower right here. Lower is more intense. As well as it's gonna be more uncomfortable. Require more. Whoo. Woo. All right. 6 more likes for 80. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get 80 likes. Can we get 80? All right. Hit that thumbs up, bro. Hey, Caroline, what's up? Hit that like button, guys. Hit that thumbs up. 5 more for 80. Can we get 80 likes? Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're brand new. Let's keep working here. That was 6 for the first set, right? I think 6. Start off with 6. Yeah. All right, guys. 9 more likes for 90. Can we get 90 likes? Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button. 9 more. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right. Show some support. Anyone can send a super chat. Drop a super chat, man. Donate. Support the channel. Let's keep moving. Remember to go support my new shorts. I got a lot of new shorts videos. Check them out. A lot of bangers, man. Drop a comment over there. Let's get it. So we did 11 on that side. Oh, on the other side. Ooh. Whoa. You hear the rain. Rain in the distance. I don't know if it's gonna come down again on us here. It's a possibility. Never know. Hit that like button and subscribe, man. 8 more likes for 90. Can we get 8 more? Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Ooh. 2 more. Yes, I am. No. Now it's time for some pull-ups. Oh, yeah. So where we put those now? All right, that's 1. And that's 2. Right there. hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're brand new, bro. Remember to go check out my new shorts, all right? Show some support over there. Drop a comment as I'm reading the chat. I see you guys. I see the names. Morocco. Jamaica marijuana. Hit that thumbs up button, man. We need 8 more for 10. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get at least 90 thumbs up here. Come on, hit that like button. One CHF. Shout out to one CHF. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Coming in with the super chat right there. Yeah. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Remember to go check out my new shorts, alright? Drop a comment over there. Alright, so now we're about to do some pull-ups. We're going to do some back workout at the moment. So, if anyone here want to give me a challenge, like a number, a reps that I should do for a super chat, drop a comment, let me know. Alright, so give me a number between, I don't know, between 25 and 20, I guess, for the first set that I should do for first set. Some tips for chest. All right, so you where you work out? You work out at the gym or you work out at home? You do what you do? You work out with weights or non-weights? So if you don't work out with weights, diamond push-up, close grip diamond push-up, and triangle push-ups. Make sure you're doing with that motion. You have to do a lot of one CHF. A shout out, man. Respect. He said 1 Swiss franc equal $1. All right. I'm not gonna say the other word though. All right. You can say it. You guys can say it, but I can't. I'm not gonna say it on the stream. But yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Home with 10 kilograms of dumbbells. Oh, all right. So if you can use dumbbells, and do some of these. See that chest? Look at the chest. See? So you do these. What I would recommend first, though, do some high numbers. It's not about speed or number, but do, as I said, some close grip, diamond push-ups if you don't got like any barbell or any other weights, any heavier weights. So you do like some diamond push-ups, a few sets. Yeah, when you're feeling tired, then you work out with the weights. You do some of these with the dumbbells. Trust me, bro, you're good. All right, guys, let's keep working here. Hit that like button. Let's get 90. Let's get 90 likes, man. Now it's time to work. Appreciate everyone tapping in, man. Don't forget, hit that like button. We're trying to get 90 likes here. 5 more for 90. Appreciate it, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Whoa, let's go. Can anyone send a super chat? Can anyone send a super chat, bro? It's holiday. Happy holidays, man. Send a super chat support. Remember to go check out my new shorts, all right? Remember to go check out my new shorts. 3 more. Is that 3 more likes? Oh, got 90 likes. Thank you. Thank you for 90 likes. Can we get 100? 10 more for 100. Hit that like button, man. Appreciate you guys stopping in. Remember to go check out my new shorts. All right? Drop a comment over there. I'm looking at the chat. I'm seeing the names. So go over there. Check out my new videos whenever you can leave. All right? Let's get it. So the first set was 25. That's how much? That's 11, right? That's a good start for us right now. Hit that like button, bro. Subscribe. Can anyone drop a super chat? Happy holidays, everyone checking in. Hit that like button. Oh, Anderson, thank you so much. I didn't even realize, man. Shout out to Anderson, man. Real G, man, from day one. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Merry Christmas, man. Hope you're having a wonderful one, man. A awesome one, you know? Yeah, magical holiday, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate everyone tapping in. Looking amazing. Thank you. Looking great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Cheers. Awesome. Thank you, guys, man. Thank you so much. 5 more likes for 100. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Thank you, man. Respect once more, Anderson. Shout out, man. Dog of War, what's good, homie? What's poppin'? Yeah, man. Everyone watching, man. Hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday, bro. From my heart, all right? Let's get this money. Let's keep working here. Fitness never stops. That's what drives us all together, right? Here's this wealth. Where's the water? Oh, you're chilling, all right? Nice. All right, so what's for Christmas, guys? Any plans? Any plans? Anyone here like going out for the Christmas? What are we doing for the Christmas? What? Family celebration at home? What are we doing for Christmas? What's the plan for Christmas? Yo, Weeb, can I show some diamond push-ups? Yeah, I can show you some diamond push-up. All right, anyone else with a super chat here? Putting a lot of work, man, to show some support. We got a holiday coming up. You know, we're trying to hustle for the holidays, man. So if you can send a super chat, greatly appreciate it. Let's go. All right, keep motivating, keep pushing. But yeah, appreciate y'all once more. Let's get this money. Like, subscribe. Check out my new shorts. Drop a comment over there. All right? Don't forget to drop a comment over there. So remember, I'm watching the chat. All right? 4 more likes for 100. Hit that like button. What's the plans tomorrow? I guess trying to get trying to get a lot of food. I think I'm gonna do a stream tomorrow as well, Christmas stream. But before that, I'm trying to get a lot of food. Maybe just go out and just do something different. I don't know. Yeah, 2 more likes for 100. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. Support, man. Can anyone send a super chat? Putting in a lot of work over here, man. Let's get this money. So, Anderson, Caroline, what's for Christmas? What's the plan? Dog of War, what's the plan, man? Hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go. Let's get this cash. Hit that like button and subscribe. The battlefield. Oh yeah. I mean say, oh yeah. Whoa, first set. Hit that like button, subscribe. One more. One more set. All right, let's get this money. This way, right? Hit that thumbs up. Let's get 120 likes. Can we get 120? Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Remember to go check out my new shorts, all right? Drop a comment over there. Let's remove this. Let's remove one, all right? Whoa. All right. $220 likes. All right. Let's go for 220 likes. Smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already, guys. Let's keep this money. Keep the fire burning. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Ah, yeah. One more. Woo. Woo. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Yeah. Caroline coming in. Super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out Caroline, the one and only. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Whoa, yes, oh yeah, we're there. Oh yes, yo. Hello from Trinidad. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I am. You will have a secure income, West, where I can focus on YouTube full time. Bro, I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. I'm trying though. I'm trying, you know? I'm trying. Yeah. Alright guys, appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. Give me a second here. Let's keep working. Let's keep lifting. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, be kind. Appreciate it, man. A lot of respect for your dedication and hard work. Thank you. Yeah, for real, for real. You a beast. Hit that like button. Trying to get 230 likes here. Hit that like button. Let's go. Plug in this phone, bro. When we start working, we're working. We don't want no distraction here. Stay focused here. Everyone tapping in. Remember, if you gotta leave, go check out my. Wait. I just plug in the charger, but the phone is not charging here. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. See if you can support with the super chat, drop a super chat. Alright, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, man. Appreciate everyone tapping in for the channel for the first time. And all my long time supporters. Love and respect, man. Right here. Yeah. Your work ethic is epic. Thank you, appreciate that. I don't know. I don't really tell myself that though, but I appreciate it. You know, I try at least. hit that like button. Can we get 130 likes? Hit the like button, subscribe. Hit that like button, subscribe. Can anyone send a super chat right now that's watching? Once more, happy holidays, everyone. Lock it in, man. Nothing but the best, man. Peace and love. Freedom. One more. All right. Ooh, yeah. $140 likes. Can we get 140 likes? 240, I mean? Hit that like button, subscribe. All right, on to the next. Let's keep burning this fire, guys. Yeah, bro. Oh, where's that bar again? Oh. Yeah, chat. Let's get this money. You guys, man, yo, appreciate the support, man. Appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. Appreciate the support. All right, huge support, man. You said the confidence ain't walking the streets. Yeah, telling you, man. Appreciate it, y'all. Let's get this money. All right, warm up. Oh, feel my legs are burning. I'm telling you. Hey, Daryl, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, bro. Feeling a pain right here. Yo, David, you here? All right. So Anderson said you should pin this message. So if please support. If you're here, David, pin it for him. Pin which message? You're gonna write it right now? Or you're writing the message right now, right? All right. So David, just pay attention. All right. Yeah, David, pin that, bro. Appreciate it. Get it. Appreciate everyone checking in. Appreciate the support. Yeah, David, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, so happy holidays once more to everyone checking in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Yesterday I hit that PR, I can feel the pain right here. Still. Hell yeah. All right. First set right there. Ooh. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. 34. Hit that like button, chat. Subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah. Five more for 240 likes. Hit that like button. Yeah, some construction stuff, yeah. Good pain? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I hit that PR yesterday, man. The heaviest I've ever squat before. I think at least we're trying to go back heavy again with squatting. Because we did cut down on squat. You know, so we're trying to go back really, really heavy. So yesterday we hit that PR live on stream. That was crazy. So anyway, man, the gains and the work never stop. You know, I have to keep going. Pushing ourselves every day. So thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Gotta keep working. Yeah. Yo, Adams, what's good? Yeah. Make sure I treat myself tomorrow with all the food. Definitely, most definitely, bro. For real, for real. We humble, we strong, we motivated, we grateful, we rising. But there you go. That's it right there, man. Carbs raised day. Yeah, I need to start hit the carbs more harder now, for real. Don't try this at home unless you're clued up, like Wes. uh, yeah, you have to start from somewhere, right? We can't just jump and start lifting heavy. You have to start from somewhere. Where is that water? Get some water fast. Go again. Why carbs for more energy? Yeah, more calories. Yeah, more calories. Yeah. More energy. Yeah, here and there. Drink water, not soda. That's it right there. 100%. Yeah. So that's it right there. That's what happened. I'm working with a lot of balance here. A lot of balance here and there. You drop. Just do what you have to do, man. Listen. Do what you have to do, man. You already know. Gotta do what you gotta do. Nothing like fresh oxygen, huh? Yeah. Unbeatable. All right. Appreciate everyone tuning in today. Yeah, man. Peace and love. Merry Christmas when it comes. Take care. Yeah, thinking about doing a stream tomorrow, so hopefully stay tuned. Check out my shorts. Have a comment over there. Like, subscribe. I love you all. All right, appreciate the support, man. From the heart. Respect. Peace out. Keep working. Stay focused.